Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. In today's video we're gonna focus on the Commodore 590. This was a RAM-hard disk expansion that all the Amiga 500 users wanted back then. The original Commodore one. This was in the magazines. This was so expensive. It was just mind-blowing. It cost more than the Amiga 500. It was, but all of us that were used to switch between floppies when we played Eye of the Beholder, Street Fighter, whatever, we wanted to have a hard drive like this or from GVP or whatever. But this is really nice because the lines and everything, I'm gonna put on the top in a minute and we're gonna enjoy it. They look like this is the PSU for the A590, and this one is also the PSU for the A590. As you can see, it used a round plug, so it was a bit different. You can't just use your Amiga 500's PSU. So it has its own power supply unit, but the thing is, you can actually mod these drives, very easy mod, to take power from the Amiga 500's own internal PSU. If you do a mod like that, the standard 3 amp PSU is just not powerful enough. When the drive loads, it will make some different interferences on the screen and stuff like that. So what I do with this system, I have actually bought, as you can see, this is a normal, just an original connector, power connector for the Amiga 500 that's connected here. At the other side we have got this beautiful box, and that box you can just put in the cables here, -12, 5V and ground and so on. You have headers for if you want to build this in a case, or you have just this power button that you can just press here, and that will give power to everything. As you can hear now, the hard drive is spinning, and this mechanical arm, now it's looking for disk and stuff like that. Listen to this. I love it. Oh. It's so awesome, man. I love it. We are not done with the Amiga love yet, because this Amiga over here, as you can see here, it's the first. It's an early version. This Amiga has got a serial number that's as low as 37,000. These were produced in millions, but this is 37,000 something. So really early production. This was how the logo looked. It was imprinted here. So the board was a revision 3. I don't like that. It has got a lot of limitations, chip RAM limitations. If you want to put in Kickstart 3.1, you have to mod. It had, the revision 3.1, the revision 3 is not my favorite board, okay? But this early revision came with something really special. It came with this keyboard that has got Commodore logo on it, as you can see here. When you use this keyboard, it's just so nice. It's such a satisfying feeling. I love this keyboard. These were only on the early models. They are highly sought after today. Mechanical keyboards, they are amazing to use. I love them. If we take a look here, look at this, guys. The revision of this board, of the motherboard, is revision 6A. So this board is a better version, and as you can see, it looks like brand new. I mean, look at how beautiful this board is. I love everything about it. And also look at the chip RAM over here. They're all socketed. So if we will have green screen RAM issues, then they're just so easy to just pull off and replace. Isn't that great? And the revision 6.8 didn't come with a battery. That means no juice from the battery. It looks so clean. Love this one. Great condition, guys. So, and this mechanical keyboard, wow, I love everything about it. One thing that's odd is actually, if we turn it on over here, usually the power is at the top here. On this one, the power is at the bottom. And if I put in a disc, then the loading LED is up top. It's odd, it's reversed, but yeah, it's how it is. Oh. That hard drive, it just, every time. I don't know, they're just, that's nostalgic love, man. Yeah. Let's put on the cover and take a closer look at it. So, the top cover is installed. We have got, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but these LED lights down here for power and LED hard disk activity, love it. It has got, I'm just so happy every time it loads. I don't know why, it's just a geek in me. Well, it has got a fan up top, guys. You can probably hear that because I can also. I can't hear the fan of this new PSU, nothing from that. But here we have got this little fan here. Some people just remove it, but I just leave it original. Now the hard disk here, let me see. The A590. It has got built-in, as you can see here, we have 2.5 megabyte RAM. So this one has got 512K and 2 megabyte RAM inside this Amiga 500, Commodore A590 expansion. We have got music, utilities, tools, modules, Dear Opus, Pirates, Dune, oh my goodness. Railroad Tycoon. Alright guys, let's take a look at that. If we check out the lines here first, look at this. It's so beautiful. The lines just continue, and also on the PSU here. This one is a bit faded in the colors, as you can see. But look at this. It looks like new. I mean, this is maybe from 1990 or something like that. The hard disk runs perfect. I formatted the hard disk for about a year ago and made a totally clean installation, and it just works. It's so nice. The color, I mean, I don't retro bright because it makes the plastic brittle, so I don't like to put chemicals on my Amigas. This one looks like this one looks like brand new, but look at this mechanical keyboard. It's so beautiful. It looks like something from 87. It's amazing, guys. So I just wanted to show this to you and share my happiness about this drive. I think it's just amazing, man. Yeah, I love it. I had two of these. One of my friends, he fell in love with it, and it was actually a guy that I went to high school with. He got in contact with me through a YouTube channel, and he was like, he had his own old Amiga 500 still, and he said, dude, please let me get that A590. And we modded his together, so his PSU is actually here, it's not needed. So his I gave this one modded to him, so he sends me pictures and, you know, makes music and Pro Tracker and stuff like that. He loves it. But yeah, I have just got an extra PSU now. A590. Nice. Man, this is beautiful. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. This is some pure stuff, man. I love stuff like this. Let me just let me end this video in a very, very satisfying way. Take a look. Oh yes. Have a great day out there, guys. Bye.